You'll find the perfect seat in the Hotspot Relay. Featuring a lounge with open seating, it gives 6 adults great space to relax and find that comfortable spot. Another thing you'll love is it's powered with 40 jets by twin jet pumps that cover you from your neck to your toes. Another great thing is its built-in automated water care system that just makes it easier for you to have clean, clear water. Another great thing to check out is its energy efficiency. Features that save you money and even exceed the most stringent of energy standards. From a visual standpoint, people love the beautiful lighting as well as the siding, just designed to blend great with your home. The Hotspot Relay is designed to give you a tremendous 15 to 20 year competitively priced hot tub experience from HotSpring.